Creating molds using Easy Mold, silicone putty, and organics can create really interesting textures on your resin and clay when you use them. So let me show you how easy this is to do. You're going to want to pull out some balls of equal size of the part A and part B of the silicone putty. I have those equal sized balls right here. You can start out with this using this leaf first. You have about 3 minutes before this putty starts to set up, and it will no longer allow you to make an impression, so you have to work fairly quickly. Go ahead and mix the two parts together until they are fully blended. You'll see no marbling in the putty at all. Once it's fully blended, go ahead and create a nice round ball. And using the top of the silicone putty, I like to use this surface right here, press down on the putty and create a nice round flat disc. You want it to still be about that thick, but depending on what you're making the mold with, like if it was a pine cone or something, you'd want to have it thicker. The texture on the back side of the leaf has more detail, so I'm going to press that down into the wet putty and then press again, making that nice and flat. Remove it off of the lid and lay it down onto a piece of plastic or a Ziploc bag and let that set. It'll take about 20 minutes until it's hard. Once the putty is hard, it'll be firm like that, and you can just kind of peel back the side edges of the organics and release it, and then you have your mold and you're ready to go.